Why are there dogs? What's going on?
Oh, there's crack.
I think I got like spike stripped. Yeah, I probably did got spike stripped.
They're looking for crack in the trunk. They can clearly see us.
Really? It's a yellow light.
Nothing.
Just chilling.
I'm not recording top secret footage.
Are they telling us to go away?
There's crack in that trunk.
They're annoying the guy because they want crack. Why is there another cop car there? Oh, that's what we caught him.
See us crack.